Okay, this is what's on my canning agenda for today. Mushrooms, shrooms. Yes, I'm going to can them because you can. When you buy them in the store, they're in jars. They're canned. Therefore, we'll have a lot of mushrooms. All right, I ended up with 3 jars of mushrooms that I'm getting ready to put into the canner. The canner is heated, ready to go. I have 3 jars of mushrooms, and I didn't want to get rid of the liquid. So what I did was I put the liquid in these because you can always use mushroom liquid for your greens or your bean soups or something, you know. So how good is that? God is good. All right, and here's the mushrooms done. As you can see, they kind of squeeze up a little bit and they float, but the mushrooms are there. They're there from when you want to cook. And there's the liquid that I kept. Remember I said you could use the liquid for, like if you're making beans or soup or something. And that's how nice the liquid, mushroom liquid comes out. I think I'll use my black eyed peas for that. And now I'm getting ready to put in my milk. So that is the name of that tune, as Beretta used to say. Here's my evap. It smells so good in here, you guys. I wish you had smell-o-vision. I did 4 vanillas. 1, 2, 3, 4 vanillas. And the others were just white milk. They're sealing. As you can see, you could tell it's evaporated. I left it in 10 minutes, 15 pounds. And that, if that is not properly made, nothing is. So that's how you make your evap milk. You buy a jug of milk. Put it in your clean jars and put it in for, well, where I live at, 15-pound weight. And I left it in for 10 minutes. I let it steam for 10 minutes, of course, and then I processed it for 10 minutes. As you can tell, it's not necessarily white. It comes out, especially this one with the vanilla in it, those 4. But there you go. Make your own evap. Okay, and this is my bounty for today. I did the mushrooms earlier. It looked kind of nice whenever they settled down a little bit, huh? That's the mushrooms. And then I did my vanilla and regular evap for coffee, pies. And then I kept the liquid from the mushrooms for like beans. When I want to make beans or something, processed beans, and I'll use that liquid. Or greens, whatever you want to use it for, soups. But that's it. Thanks for watching. God is good.